What's up? This is Richie and Jamie from the Where We Wild YouTube channel, and today we're standing outside of a Dollar Tree, and we're gonna just walk around the aisles and see what stuff we can spot that would make good camping gear, and then maybe talk about
how to use it.
Yeah, what they'd be good for out on a camping trip. So let's check it out, man. The Dollar Tree. Hopefully everything costs $1. Is that not the case here? I don't even know.
I think everything's $1.25 now.
Okay. What do you spot? Oh, I see something cool. Check this out. Those could be good for maybe spices or condiments or something like that. These little reusable mini things. How much are they? Like?
I think they're $1.25. See, everything's $1.25 now.
Ah, I see. So that's a cool thing to have right there.
Yeah, that's a lot for $1.25. There's 14 of them.
Yeah, that's sweet.
Cool.
I guess you could use something like that as like a little shoe basket or something.
Yeah.
And here's some straight up plastic bins, which we always love. So if you want to go smaller, oh hey, check these out.
That's cool. Look,
that'll work.
A dispenser and tumbler for $5.
That's cool. You can use that to fill up with water to wash dishes with.
Yeah.
You can even wash your hands.
That's super cool.
Those are $5?
Yeah, $5.
That's not so bad.
4 tumblers and a dispenser.
What else? Ah, well, that's pretty obvious, isn't it? Some plastic silverware, paper plates. I mean, if you want to go that route, we like to use reusable stuff and wash it, but
if you've got a big party,
you got a big
family.
party, go with the tablecloth for the picnic tables at the campsites. Plates, cups, all that stuff, pretty obvious. Want to go that route? I see something coming up here that'll be pretty useful.
Oh yeah,
Glow sticks, lots of them. You can use these
perfect.
to put on your tent lines to make them visible at night. As you saw in that camping hacks video we did recently, you can attach one to your zipper
They have big ones
of the tent to help you find that.
That's nice. Look at how big
cool
these
too.
are.
Yeah, you could wrap those around your
I mean, they're technically
tent
necklaces,
lines.
but you can use them for...
Fold them for anything, and they're all super cheap, right? $1.75, I think?
Yeah, $1.75 lasts for hours, 6 pieces.
So that's always a great thing to find here, glow sticks. You can do so many things with those.
Oh, wow, look. A lantern fan.
Lantern and a fan. $7? That could be
Pricey.
useful. Yeah, it's a little pricey for this place. Oh, wow. See, this will work really, really well. So you could attach these LED lights to the inside of your cooler
They're
or around your
battery
tent.
operated.
Yep, battery operated. And it's got the remote too, huh?
Yeah, that's cool.
That's really cool.
Put it on a timer.
Yeah, that'd be awesome.
$7.50.
That's pretty cool, actually. Aha, petroleum jelly.
Oh, yeah.
Now that'll work. And I'll tell you what for. Well, I don't see any cotton balls yet, but you put some of that stuff on cotton balls, throw it into a Ziploc bag, and that is a heck of a bring-along fire starter right there. Anything petroleum jelly based works. Chapstick, normal Vaseline, that's just kind of like knockoff Vaseline.
Yeah.
But I'm
just
sure.
Straight petroleum jelly.
Yeah, use some of that with some cotton balls, and you're ready to roll.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Little minis. There you go.
Hand sanitizer, another great fire starter right there. That works great. You can put it on cotton balls. You can just put it right down on some leaves, and that stuff lights right up. I've done it. Ah, okay. So in the next aisle over, you can score some cotton balls, which will make a great little fire starter. Oh, look at this 3-in-1 set. That's sweet right there. There you go. So you got some cotton balls, you got some Q-tips, and then what are those, like little gauze pads type of thing?
Just cotton pads.
That'll work, man.
$1.25.
Rip the cotton off of any of those, make it a fire starter, and if you actually need Q-tips for your trip, and when you're done, that little container could probably come in handy too.
Oh, totally. Yeah, that for $1.25, that's awesome.
Yeah, that's pretty sweet. Oh, look, right across the way here, we got some ice packs.
Nice.
Always good to have.
You can make a whole little med kit here.
Little first aid kits. You could bring along some gloves.
There's another one.
There you go.
21 pieces.
Little Band-Aid, stuff like that. Great to put together. What else we got here? All right,
yeah,
well,
you've
some
got,
meds. Yeah,
anti-diarrhea.
anti-diarrhea. That's smart. Pepto.
Excedrin.
Wow, $1.25. That's pretty good. This lip balm here, I bet you could probably use for fire starter as well. Any of this stuff.
Yeah.
Petroleum
Oh,
jelly
look,
based.
babe.
Ah, wow, that's a score right there. Check it out.
$1.25.
You've heard us mention this before, using the pill organizers to store your cooking spices.
No, I don't wanna-
That's sweet. $1.25 for...
Wow.
Are they separate or one big one?
No, it's one big one.
Oh, wow, so you can really bring a lot of spices. And
Yeah.
that looks like they're secure.
Yeah.
Nice. Sometimes those things don't stay closed and you got to worry about the spices spilling out.
Yeah,
But
no,
that looks pretty legit.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, that's
great.
sweet. $1.25?
Yeah.
That's really good. They're way more expensive at like Walmart and
Yeah.
stuff like that.
You could use this too for like any of this stuff if you wanted.
Yeah, for
to
sure.
Make your own little like.
Oh yeah,
kit.
it's a great idea.
You could just get like a bunch of this stuff, like your
Excedrin,
little
Advil.
anti-diarrheals, whatever,
Mhm.
and literally use it for
Yeah,
the way that it's intended.
it's a great idea. But that is a great way to store your spices for sure. So this little medicine aisle is pretty good.
Yeah, good aisle.
So far, we've spotted some good stuff, man. I'm
Oh,
actually
yeah.
surprised. A lot of fire starting stuff. If you know what to look for, a lot of petroleum jelly stuff and those cotton balls, that's good. Hand sanitizer.
Yeah.
It's just knowing that that stuff works for certain things. That's all it is. My favorite so far is definitely the pill dispenser. $1.25, and it was double. That's a good deal. And it was really secure. So that's huge. You don't want your spices spilling out all over the place. We've had some of them that we'd have to wrap a rubber band around or something like that. So that was impressive for $1.25. Just plain candles, that would work. All right. Say your tent zipper gets a little stuck. You could always rub one of these candles right along the zipper, and that wax will help free it up, make it a little smoother for you. Oh look, check this out.
Nice.
Those are $1.50.
$1.50.
Wow, that's good, man. You can throw that right out in front of your tent, wipe your feet off. That's smart.
Yeah, that's cool. Ooh, look, babe.
Okay. Little plastic bottles, that'll work. Oh, that's sweet right there. So these spray bottles come in handy. I don't know if you've ever seen our little trick about washing dishes with the 2 spray bottles. Only if you're traveling super, super light, you don't have much water to work with, but that's cool.
Mhm.
$1.25 each, not bad.
Yeah.
All right, this aisle looks promising. Got some tools and stuff. There's some little carabiners. I wouldn't trust them with anything huge, but they could come in handy for
Yeah.
sure. Ah,
Nice.
got a little bit of paracord right there. I don't know how strong it is, but that could definitely come in handy.
Right next to it.
Yeah, zip ties. You can do a lot with zip ties on a campsite. That's for sure. They're always good to have in your bin.
Oh,
Duct tape.
we hit the
Absolutely.
jackpot at this aisle.
There you go. Yeah, this aisle's useful.
Duct tape.
Duct tape is like a tool in itself.
Yeah, it really is.
These little Velcro strips might come in handy for something. Double-sided, putting a light inside your cooler, perhaps. Ooh, look
Tarp.
at that. They even got some blue tarps. You could throw that underneath your tent. I don't know how big they are. 4x6.
4x6? That's
Yeah,
not bad.
Yeah, you might be able to get away with that, actually.
Listen, for $1.25,
Yeah.
I'm sure it's
Yeah.
be totally fine.
Yeah, you could even throw it on the inside of your tent if you want, on the floor to help keep it clean.
Look, there's more of those push lights.
Oh, great. Yeah, this is the type of stuff that really comes in handy. Stick those things
So you
right
just
onto your
need
cooler.
3 AAAs,
Yeah.
and then you're good to go. You have light.
Oh, look, check it out. Look at these little lanterns.
Oh, that's funny.
You could hang that from the inside of your tent
Totally.
or have it out on the picnic table while you're eating dinner.
Yeah.
And those are $1.25 as well?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. What else? Oh, check it out. Little microfiber cleaning towels. That's what I'm
There you
talking
go.
about. You can use those to clean your dishes,
Yeah.
dry your dishes, stuff like that. Ooh, look, little spring clamps can help you secure a tarp
Uh-huh.
or fix something on your tent, attach something to your tent. Here's some more tarps. Are they a little bigger? 8 foot by 10.
Nice.
There you go. How much are those? $3.
$3.
There you go. That'll work great for underneath your tent.
Yeah.
All day.
Perfect.
All right, so this aisle was sweet.
That was a good one.
Yeah. Well, look, obviously you can grab some snacks and stuff too, but that's super, super obvious. Oh, cool. Check it out.
Clothespins.
You want to make yourself a little clothesline there? Air stuff out, dry stuff out, get some fresh air on it.
These are always good to have.
Yeah, you could do your dishes in those buckets, or you could collect water.
Wash
Could even-
clothes.
Yeah.
What am I going to say about that?
I know exactly what you're going to say about that. You can cut these straws up, and you can fill them up with little condiments and spices, and then burn the ends off to seal them.
Mm-hmm.
Is that what you're going to say?
That's what I was going to
There
say.
you go. That's a really cool hack, actually, with plastic straws, if you have them. Some bigger ones too. That might work well.
There's a lot of them in there for
Yeah, you want
$1.25.
to make sure you get thicker ones though. Or you're not going to be able to store much in them. Nice. More spray bottles. How about some brushes? Yeah, wash your dishes. Oh, how about this over here? Got some garbage bags, pretty cheap, $1.50. Keep your site clean after dinner. Throw your stuff out, get it off to the dumpster. There's no need to get like really expensive garbage bags. And I'll tell you what, if you're making a camping toilet, if you saw that how to make a camping toilet out of the bucket video we did, you could use some of these bags for that too. I was kind of hoping they'd have a small dustpan. They have some bigger dustpans, which are great to bring with you to clean the inside of your tent with. But if your store has small ones, really, really small ones, that is great to have in your camping bin. This stuff could come in handy here. Aluminum foil
yeah,
sheets,
that's
that's gold.
Oh, I kind of love that they're in sheets.
Yeah, that's kind of sweet. Aluminum foil sheets definitely comes in handy. Got
Any
some
of this
pans,
stuff.
Any of that stuff, yeah, you can cook all kinds of meals in there. So all the aluminum foil type stuff, here you go. Here's like some bigger normal aluminum foil. Now, we usually get ours at Costco and really load up on it.
Yeah.
But, you know, if you're by a Dollar Tree right before your trip.
Oh, these are great for when you're at the campsite.
Oh, for sure.
You can cover all of your open containers.
Yeah, so flies don't get at it.
Yeah.
That's genius, actually. Just
Look
grab
at
it.
all this stuff.
Wow, yeah, you can go this route too. Just load up on some condiments, stuff like that last minute. $1.25.
Look, 75 cents for some corn muffin mix.
There you
Make
go.
some cornbread.
And I'll tell you what, babe, you could probably take some of this
Yeah.
this blueberry mix here, you add milk, and then maybe steam it
Put it-
inside a cup.
Yep.
You know, and then put that cup in a pot of boiling water, put the lid on it, steam it up like a little oven, and,
Yep.
you can make yourself some biscuits or brownies or
Totally.
whatever. It's all based off the same way of cooking it. Oh, marshmallows.
There you go.
There you go. For s'mores or just roasting over the campfire,
$1.25.
$1.25.
Can't beat it.
They got a lot of stuff here actually. So check it out. Here's some like long tongs. That'll work good. They seem to be all metal. You're gonna want
Yeah.
to wear gloves because they're gonna get hot, but they won't melt on you.
That's true. $1.25.
All right, not so bad. And I'll
Right.
tell you what, right there,
Yep.
making
Also
some
for
burgers,
$1.25?
eggs, anything like that. That looks pretty heavy duty too for what it is.
It's not bad for
and you know what's
$1.25.
cool is if it does melt, who cares? It's
Exactly.
$1.25.
Yeah.
Throw it out at the end of your trip.
Right.
Ah, perfect.
Set of two.
Set it to for how much?
Probably $1.25.
All right, well, these hard plastic plates, we actually use a lot, and then you just wash them and reuse them, which is better than going the whole paper plate route, unless you
We've
got a
got
really big group.
Bowls. Oh yeah, the bowls are $1.25.
For a
so.
2-pack.
Yep.
Okay. Ah, look at this.
There you go.
Condiment bottles. Big squeeze bottles, so you could fill those up with,
Pancake mix.
yes, sir, pancake mix. That works really, really well, or you can just bring ketchup or whatever you want.
I think-
$1.25, that's pretty sweet. Aha, matches, finally. I was looking for those. Obviously, can never go wrong with a nice big box of matches. I like that. Oh, cutting
Cutting
boards.
boards.
That'll work great. Check
Yeah.
this out. What a great tiny little cutting board. That is great to throw in your camping bin right there.
Yeah.
Just to have a nice little cutting board. And then if you want to go the plastic route, that real thin one, sometimes we've used those and they do work well and they'll slip right into the side of your camping bin.
It says two. It's $1.25. Here's another little.
Cutting board. So you go that route, and then you got all your big kitchen
there's
tools,
so
stuff
much.
like that. Yeah, this section, can opener, bottle opener, great to have there. Got some knives. That
But
works
again,
well.
can't go wrong.
Yeah, if it melts, you throw it out. All your spoons, ladles, spatulas, forks, that type of stuff. And hey, check it out. Look, there's actual silverware. You could probably
yeah.
use that if you had to.
Oh look,
What else? Aha, batteries. I know that's gonna come in handy.
8 double A's for $1.50.
Wow, you know, they're probably not gonna last forever, but 8 AA's for $1.50 is actually a really good deal.
8 triples for $1.50.
Triples, there's doubles right there. Little babies, you got some D's, C's.
Not bad.
Yeah, I'm curious how long those would last, honestly. They're better than nothing, though.
Totally.
I definitely would try them out. Okay then, well, you know, I was actually surprised about the amount of stuff that we actually did find to be useful in there.
Me too.
If you really think about it, you can find some really good stuff in there. So in a pinch, if you want to stop by the Dollar Tree and not spend a lot of money, there's a lot of little useful things. Fire starting stuff, the tarps, all the tools, obviously snacks. We saw plates, plastic cups, first aid stuff, medicine. The pill dispenser is probably the star of the show.
Yeah.
That was awesome. There was a lot of stuff, aluminum foil, dustpans,
Lanterns.
the lanterns, all the stick-on LED lights for your cooler, all the
Tarps.
glow sticks.
Glow sticks.
For your tent zipper or your tent lines.
There's a lot in there.
There really is. If you know what you're looking for, you can go in there and pick some stuff out really cheap, and it will come in handy on a camping trip.
Totally.
So that's cool. I'm not too mad at that. What do you expect? Like, I wasn't expecting like that much, but there was actually more
I'm
than I thought.
shocked at how much we found,
Yeah.
honestly.
So not so bad. The Dollar Tree.
pretty cheap, and
The
you can.
$1.25 tree.
Yeah, right. It's actually most of the stuff, and not everything is $1.25. Some of it
Right.
was $3, $4,
Yeah.
whatever. But hey, still
still.
really cheap, man.
Totally.
So I'm not too mad at that. Good work. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to drop a like, and if you're into this sort of thing, don't forget to hit subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Later. The Dollar Tree. Hey,
I'm surprised.
yeah, you never know, man.
If you want to see more videos just like this one, be sure to check out the rest of the Where We Wild YouTube channel, where we post a brand new video every week. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you get notified whenever we post a new adventure. Thanks for watching. See ya.